Good morning, student. Myself Santosh Kumar Srivastava. Today we will derive the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u for length. It means we will find the relation between u, b and f for length. First of all, we will derive it for convex lens. Let a thin convex lens which surface P1 and P2 and its radius of curvature R1 and R2 on its principal axis from the surface of the lens P1 there is a object placed on principal axis OO dash. A light ray travel O dash A along parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it passes through the focal point F of the lens and goes along AL direction. Another light ray O dash C moves in straight way and passes through the optical center of the lens, and after the reflection it goes along CM direction. These refracted rays AL and CM meet together at a point I dash if we draw a perpendicular II dash on the principal axis. Then II dash is the image of object O dash. You can see here there are two triangles formed OC O dash and CII dash. We take this triangle. In triangle O dash C and I dash C. You can see here these are 90-degree triangles. So angle O dash OC is equal to angle CII dash. Why these angles are equal? Because both are 90-degree angles. Again we take angle O dash CO is equal to ICI dash. Angle O dash CO is equal to angle ICI dash. Angle ICI dash. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angle. In this way, we can say that these triangles are coangular or collinear. So, triangle O dash C is similar to triangle ICI dash. ICI dash. From the similarity rule, we can write the relation O dash upon II dash is equal to CO upon CI. This is the equation number first. Again we take two triangle ACF and triangle FII dash. Triangle ACF and triangle FII dash. You can see here triangle angle ACF is equal to angle FII dash. Angle ACF is equal to angle FII dash. Why? Because these are 90-degree angle. Again, angle AFC is equal to angle IFI dash. Angle IFI dash, because these are also vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Thus, if we write the relation from the similarities rule, we can find here CA upon II dash is equal to CF upon FI. It is equation number 2. Since light ray O dash A travel along parallel to the principal axis, thus O dash is equal to CA. So O dash is equal to CA. If we write here, then we will find that O dash I upon II dash is equal to CF upon FI. It is equation number 3rd. It is equation number 3rd. From equation number 2nd and equation number 3rd, you can, from equation number 1st and equation number 3rd, you can see here the right hand side of these equation are equal. That is why left hand side of these equation are also equal. In this way, we write here from equation number 1 and equation number 3rd. From equation number 1 and equation number 3rd. CO upon CI is equal to CF upon FI. This is equation number 4. In equation number 4, distance FI is equal to CI minus CF. CI minus CF. If we will put this value, we will put the value of Fi in equation number 4. We will find that CO upon Ci is equal to CF upon Ci minus CF. Equation number 5. You can see here CO. CO is the distance of the object. And it is measured towards the left hand side of the first surface, so its value is negative. Thus CO is equal to minus U upon Ci. Ci is the distance of object from distance of image from the second surface of the lens, and it is measured right hand side of the surface P2, so its value is positive. So U minus U upon V is equal to CF. CF is the focal length of the lens, and it is measured right hand side of the surface P2, so its value is positive, and V, thus CF is equal to F and Ci is equal to B minus F. It is equation number 6. If we cross multiply of these, then we will find in further step minus U V minus F is equal to Vf. Is equal to Vf. If we multiply, then we will find minus UV plus UF is equal to Vf. If we solve it, and we will find in further step B transpose UV on left hand side, right hand side, and Vf is left hand side. Then we will find that UF minus Vf is equal to UV. This is the equation number 7. On dividing both sides of equation number 7 from UVF, then we will find that UF upon UVF minus VF upon UVF is equal to UV upon UVF. UV cancel. Here UF cancel and BF cancel. In further step, we will find 1 upon B minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So that 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon